everyone, we are from Team 1 and these are my teammates like Varshita, Gurumurthy, Rajkumar, Firoz and Amit. And our project name is Dhvani Yantra.
Go.
In day-to-day life, everyone with a smartphone or smart device owns a headset. His headset consists of wired earphones, neckbands, headphones and Bluetooth AirPods. And here some users may face some problems with these types of earphones, like some are costly and some are costless. Here there are some of the problems like the wired earphones. They have some problems like when we put in the drawers or in the bags, they may get tangled, and while we are removing the tangles it may get damaged, and it is also some uncomfortable for the users. And the Bluetooth ones are really some of the expensive. And here the project objective is we are come with a dual mode chargeable Bluetooth earphone with a dual mode charging, and we also have adding a feature like a speaker.
Go.
Hello guys, I'm Dav607. I'm going to say about existing solutions. Existing solutions are wired earphones, neckband earphones and on-ear headphones. Wired earphones, it comes with a wire, we have to connect it physically to the mobile, and neckband earphones, we have to charge it and we have to wear it around the neck. And on-ear headphones, also it has to be charged and it comes with a limited battery life. It costs around 15,600. And these are expensive.
Go.
I'm Rajkumar. Now I'm going to say about the gaps in existing solutions. See, there are many gaps will be there in existing solutions. Like they have first interference problem, and next the latency problem, and the Bluetooth range limitations, and pairing and reconnections challenges. In interference problem, there will be many signal issues which may interfere in the Bluetooth connections. And next for the latency problems, which may also introduce in the signal interference and cause the Bluetooth connection failure. And next the Bluetooth range limitations. When we move out of the range of the Bluetooth, the Bluetooth range will be disconnected, and it will be a major problem for us for connecting the Bluetooth. And next the pairing and reconnection challenges. For one device is connected to the Bluetooth, we can't connect to the other device until we need to unpair the device. These are the gaps in existing solutions in our project.
Go.
I'm Varshita. I'm going to tell you about user requirements. The user requirements are solar panel, 3.7 volts rechargeable battery, wires, LED, and Bluetooth module, amplifier, speaker, and the switch.
Go.
Hi, I'm Navneet. I'm going to tell about the issue. Headsets are commonly accessories for the smartphones and mobile devices. They come in various types, as wired earphones, Bluetooth, earpods, neckbands, and headphones. However, choosing between the wired earphones and the Bluetooth earphones can be a tricky one. So, and the wired earphones, expensive when compared to the wired earphones. And in wired earphones, we have the problem is the tangled wires which can damage the headset or cause accidents.
Go.
So hi everyone, this is Firoz. I'm going to explain about the methodology. Our product is Dhvani Yantra. It can be charged in two ways, like with solar panel and with the charging module. Here, our product can work for longer time due to the solar panel and the charging module. If you are inside our home, where there is no sunlight, then we can use charging module. If you are outside, we can use solar panel for charging.
The working process of our model is, first it is a solar panel and it has two switches and a wired earphone and a charging module and a LED. First we need to turn on the LED, then we need to connect it. To the our mobile phone. It has a switch. It also has a speaker and also the wired earphone. This is a switch which indicates the mode of transfer of the earphones to the speaker. Now we have connected our mobile, our hotspot, our SWBT, our Bluetooth to this mobile. Now I am turning on. We can see the sound here played. It is the speaker sound. Now I am changing the mode. You can listen the sound. Thank you.